Hey, Pat! Pat!
I'm right here. What's going on?
Well, I came in to change the light bulb and I fell in. What's it look like? I'm taking a bath? Get me out of here! Yeah, real funny. Okay, I'll tell you what. You find a way to get me out of this predicament and I'll give you your weight in bananas.
My weight in bananas? Yeah?
Promise. No!
Don't forget your promise, Kay. My weight in bananas.
Yeah, I know. 2 metric tons of bananas.